Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can create a group chat on TikTok. You're watching one to step, follow the step. First thing after opening TikTok, you want to click on the inbox icon at the bottom right. Once you're inside inbox, at the top left corner you can see a little chat icon with a plus. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, all the people which you have added on your TikTok is going to be shown over here. I have only two people, so let's say I want to create a group chat using these two people. I can click on this little box right beside their name and they will be selected. Once they are selected, I can click on chat at the bottom and a group chat will be created just like this automatically. And just like this, I have just created a group chat and I can start sending message on over here. So it's that simple to create a group chat on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one to step, and remember, if you want to go back to your group chat again, you again click on the little button at the top left corner and click on select a group chat, and the group chat you created is going to be displayed over here. Alright, so I hope you understand how you guys can create yourself a group chat on TikTok. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.